Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making one of the first things my boyfriend ever cooked for me, and that is a vegan version of the Ukrainian blinis.
Blini. Blini.
Blini. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some mushrooms and carrots. We've used 1 carrot and about like 4 mushrooms. This is for the filling. You also need a jar of sauerkraut. Yeah, normally you need a whole jar, but we've already started one, but it's fine. And then the pancakes is literally just flour and soy milk. So this is just 2 cups of flour and we use soy milk. My boyfriend normally does it by eye, but I'm going to try and measure it and put how much we used on the screen. Okay, so step 1 is to drain and rinse the sauerkraut. So I'm just emptying it into a colander. And next we need to rinse the sauerkraut so it's not too sour, I guess. So my boyfriend says that it's ready when you taste it and it doesn't taste too vinegary. So once it's all rinsed, you have to squeeze as much water out as you can. Now that you've squeezed all the excess water out of the sauerkraut, you need to cut it into smaller pieces. Next we're just going to chuck some oil in the pan and fry it on a medium-high heat. I've just been told that my mushrooms aren't small enough, so I'm cutting them smaller. I can't have any kind of biggish bits like that. So now I have a nice fine minced mushrooms. We're just going to put everything in the pan. Okay, so we've just added a bit more oil and then we're going to add some salt and some pepper.
Oh no, I thought it was the tea. Oh no.
No, it's the pepper.
It's the pepper.
Oh.
So once it looks like this, it's been cooking for about 12 minutes on a medium heat, then we can turn it off and let it cool. So we've got 500 milliliters of the soy milk and we're going to add the flour. Okay, apparently you need to whisk and add the flour at the same time. Just add a pinch of sugar and a dash of salt to the batter. So now that the stuffing and the pancakes are all cooled, we're going to take like a tablespoon of stuffing for a little pancake, maybe like that much. Fold this side in, fold these 2 sides in, and then roll the pancake up. Okay, so we don't have that many blinis because quite a few of our pancakes stuck to our pan. So you need to try and find your like newest Teflon pan that still has a really good non-stick coat. Now what makes them super tasty is once they're rolled up, we're actually going to re-fry them. So once they're fried for a few minutes on each side and they look like this, they're done. I like to serve them with just a bit of vegan mayo. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you tomorrow.